It's a good living indoors right now, I'll tell
makes
you.
you want to stay away from the wilderness after that story.
Right, or at the tarmac of the airport too at this
That
heat.
too.
Yeah, I was a couple places I want to stay away from at this point. Definitely looking at the excessive heat continuing. And remember, the warning continues through tomorrow. Let me show you current temperatures. Remember, our forecast high today is 107, and we're at 105, so we're really on track. And you can see some other areas popping up with some really rich temperatures there. And that will be the theme for tomorrow. And tomorrow we're anticipating being a little bit hotter than today. So we're right there. We're getting much closer. So 107 today, 8 tomorrow, 106 for Thursday, and dropping down from there. And I'm happy to say we'll get even lower for the coming weekend. So the hits keep coming, thankfully. But it's all because we've been talking so much about a hurricane down south that wouldn't normally mean much for us. They don't always in the eastern Pacific mean much for us. But when they start pushing up the Gulf of California past the Baja Peninsula, like this one looks like it's going to do, then that makes a difference in our weather. Look at that. You see the higher cloud tops there where the heaviest rain is as it pushes into Mexico right now. Hasn't quite got to Baja yet, but it's on the way, that's for sure. So here's the Futurecast setup, and in the next half hour, I'll show you where Hurricane Bud's actually sitting right now. But I just want to show you what we could get from it. Certainly some cloud cover later on Thursday. That'll be the early part, but Friday really starts to soak up some of those clouds, but the moisture stays mostly away until late Friday, early Saturday. This computer model giving us the potential of maybe eking out a little bit of a shower before the drier air starts to punch in a little bit, but it won't be perfectly dry on Saturday, I assure you, but it will move out by Sunday and we won't see any of that. So the setup is more heat to start, and then we end with some wonderful temperatures through Father's Day, so that's good news. So hot days ahead, then those 90s, and fortunately those 90s stick around through early next week, and we drop our 80s for overnight lows, pretty warm, down into the 70s again. So good looking go of it. Friday, we really see the biggest increase in cloud cover, then our temperatures start to drop, and once that all swings through, I think we'll still be a little sticky on Saturday, but in the 90s, I think that's doable. All right, back to you, Carla.
Thanks, Brian. A hostage situation involving 4 children